Hi guys, it's Amma back with another video, and today we are going to do a Fernando Torres hairstyle tutorial. So I'm a Liverpool fan, and arguably Torres had his best years when he was playing for Liverpool. He was one of the best, if not the best striker on the planet. And then obviously came the transfer to Chelsea, which was an absolute heartbreak for me as well as other Liverpool fans as well. But regardless to his transfer to Chelsea, he will always be one of my favorite players of all time. And today, the hairstyle tutorial that we are going to do is his Atletico Madrid look. So during that time, I'd say 2014 and 15, he had an undercut hairstyle, and that's what we are going to rock today. Okay guys, so firstly you need to make sure that you do have the correct haircut. I've gone for a skin fade, undercut, mid fade hairstyle. The reason I have gone for a skin fade guys is because it will really help the comb over look a lot sharper on the top, and in some of Torres's haircuts he has gone for, if not a deep zero, a skin fade. And just the product that we are going to use today, guys, is the Got to Be Beach Matte Paste. Firstly, guys, make sure that your hair is damp. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by using the Aveda Thickening Tonic. This is really good for fine hair, really good for volume, really helps to build that shape. So I'm going to start by spraying some of this first. And then guys, what we are going to do is we are going to apply this first before we start the hair drying application, just to help build that shape and build the volume. Okay guys, so we're just going to go ahead and start the hair drying application. Please make sure that you do have a round brush because this will help create control and shape. And just ensure guys that you are using medium heat fast speed, just because we don't want to burn the hair. So I've now created the base of the hairstyle. Okay, so what we are going to do now, guys, we are going to create that classic comb over front. Now, what we will do to achieve this is we are going to still use the hairdryer, but we're going to use it upside down. And the reason we are going to be doing that is so we can control the airflow and get some volume in there. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have managed to create that Fernando Torres undercut comb over hairstyle. So all that's left now is to finish off with some hairspray. So just make sure that you evenly distribute this in your hair. And there you have it guys, that's the final look. I really did enjoy doing this video for you today because Torres is one of my all-time favorite players, and this hairstyle was really cool to do. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe guys. Please do leave a comment in the comment section below. Do let me know what you would like to see next, and until next time, take care.